Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Apple CarPlay not working on Volkswagen. The solution will work for the Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen Golf, Volkswagen Polo, Touareg, Passat, and lastly the Volkswagen Touareg. So if you have any of these models, the solution should be working fine for you. So basically guys, just go to your infotainment screen, make sure that you are in the home page, or if you are not, just click on the menu button and then you're gonna be here in the home page. Here you're gonna find all of your apps, and normally if you want to connect to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you need to go to App Connect. So here normally you should be able to connect your phone via USB in order to connect it to Apple CarPlay. Here in the bottom right, you're gonna find its settings. If you click on them here, you're gonna find the option to activate data transfer for Volkswagen apps, and here you're gonna find the option to allow mirror links. So one of the reasons why your CarPlay might not be working is maybe because you have a lot of paired devices. So if you want to unpair the device, go to your settings. Right here, you're gonna find the setting apps. Scroll down until you find Bluetooth. Give it a click, and then here you're gonna find paired devices. Click on it, and then just delete one of the devices that you don't pair anymore. Go back and try again to connect to Apple CarPlay, and it should be working fine. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.